Hello guys, welcome to another break by TW Sports Cards. We got a double box break of 16-17 Fleer Showcase. I'll start by showing the serial numbers. BB 03364 1597, BB 03364 0510. As you can see, they match the serial numbers in the auction. I'll show the last team that ended on eBay. So Winnipeg Jets, April 14, 2017, 8:39 Eastern Daytime. Winnipeg Jets. There you go. So thank you very much, guys, for joining. I wish you all the best of luck, and let's get it going. I'll do one box at a time. All right, first box. We got a red glow for Colorado, Jarome Iginla. We got a metal universe for the Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. We got a EX for Detroit, Dylan Larkin. We got a rookies, Christian Dvorak for Arizona. We got a Fleer Ultra rookie out of 599 for Toronto, Mitch Marner. Focus. There you go. Mitch Marner. Scoring Kings for the Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Metal Universe, Taylor Hall for the Devils. Metal Universe, Kyle Connor for the Jets. Scoring Kings for Anaheim, Corey Perry. Red Glow for the Devils, Taylor Hall. Flair Showcase, Jack Eichel for Buffalo. Red Glow, Oliver Ekman-Larsson for Arizona. We got an Out Prospect autograph out of 499 for Dallas, Julius Anka. We got a rookies for Toronto, Austin Matthews. Flair Showcase rookies. We got a Fleer Ultra Red Buyback Retro, 25th anniversary out of 25. Ulf Dahlin for the Dallas Stars. Flair Showcase rookies, Nick Schmaltz for Chicago. We got a Skybox Prospect Red Glow 38 out of 50 for Columbus, Zach Werenski. Focus. Doesn't want to focus. 38 out of 50. Metal Universe, Matthew Tkachuk for the Flames. That was box number 1. Now for box number 2. Good luck, everyone. Flair Showcase rookies for Arizona, Dylan Strome. Metal Universe, Vladimir Tarasenko for the Blues. EX, Vladimir Tarasenko for the Blues. Red Glow, Frederik Andersen for Toronto. Metal Universe, Brendan Carlo for Boston. Scoring Kings, Alexander Ovechkin for Washington. Hot Prospect out of 399 for Pittsburgh, Jake Gunzel. Scoring Kings, Daniel Sedin for Vancouver. Flair Showcase, John Tavares for the Islanders. Red Glow for Buffalo, Ryan O'Reilly. Flair Showcase rookies, Matthew Tkachuk for the Flames. We got a Hot Prospect Red Glow autograph out of 49 for the Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. Hot Prospect out of 399 for the Flames, Mark Jankowski. Metal Universe, Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. Metal Universe, Artturi Lehkonen for Montreal. Red Glow, Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. Flair Showcase, Joe Pavelski for the Sharks. Last pack of the break. We got a PMG Red out of 150. 33 out of 150 for Chicago, Nick Schmaltz. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all another day for another break. Peace.